Hi, my daughter was born with bilateral cleft lip, which was very severe in nature, right? So, in fifth or sixth month scan, we got to know about it. We were very worried about her, how to get the treatment done and all. We were doing good amount of research to see which doctor to show and all that thing, right? But fortunately, we came across Dr. Parit sir's on Google, and we did good analysis and research, and then we met doctor. And doctor was very informative, very patient, very calm, listening to all our queries, replying it properly. So I made the best decision of my life for my daughter to get the surgery done by Dr. Parit sir, because the way the surgery was done, we got very excellent results. Her face, appearance, and everything is as like a normal baby. So we are very happy to get it surgery done from Dr. Parit sir. Both the surgeries, the lip as well as the palate surgery. Her speech is also very nice. See.
Parit, stop. Okay. Can you tell me what do you do in school?
How do
you eat mamam in school? Okay. And who gives you mamam in school? Who gives mamam in school? Okay. Now let's talk about animals. Okay. Can you tell me how does cat do? Okay. Can you tell me how does dog do? Can you tell me how does tiger do? Okay. Can you tell me how does duck do? How does crow do? Okay. And can you tell me how does duck eat mamam? Okay. And can you tell me how do you give mamam to duck? Okay. And can you tell me how does duck swim? Alright. And let's talk about.
It's clear.
Also, can you say I love you? Akka, Amma, Baba, Dada.
Everyone out here, for your babies, if you have a cleft lip and cleft palate problem, wherever it is, just straight away approach to Dr. Parit sir. He is the best and he'll take good care of your daughter. Thank you.